we're supposed to check if we can reduce any numerator with any denominator in this problem, okay? So I have 4 and I have 20, okay? 4 is divisible by 4 and 20 is also divisible by 4. That's why I'm going to divide these two numbers by 4. 9 and 3, both of them are divisible by 3. Okay, let me rewrite this problem right now. So 4 divided by 4 is equal 1. And I have 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 5 over 14 times 3 divided by 3 is 1 over 20 divided by 4 gives me 5. Now 5 is divisible by 5. I have also 5 over here. So that's why I'm going to divide these two 5s by 5. And I'm going to have 1 over 3 times 1 over 14 times 1 over 1, which is equal. Anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator, okay, and denominator by the denominator. 1 times 1 times 1 is equal 1, and I have 3 times 14 is 42 times 1 is 42. This is the solution to my problem.